Good morning. I can't believe I'm saying this, but we are in Tasmania. We got here about a week ago. We caught the ferry, we shipped Leo over, we're in our van, and we're having the best time. We're also having really great weather. It's super sunny. We've had 2 days of rain, but that's to be expected in Tassie. And yeah, we're taking you with us. We are exploring the east coast over the next few days, and we are currently in the Bay of Fires area, which is a very popular area, and there's quite a few free camps along the coast. And this is by far the best free camp we have ever stayed at. We knew that Tassie would have amazing free camps. That's sort of what everyone talks about and tells you. But this is next level. We are parked right next to the beach. We woke up and I could hear the ocean. And yeah, we're having a really great time. And we're taking you with us. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. They just keep jumping out of the water. I've never seen that before. We're gonna fly the drone.
To the exciting world of kids. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. We're having breakfast up on the rocks. We're going for a walk. Like I'm walking on nails. Oh, ow.
There's a heap of little baby mussels along here. Pretty cool.
Wow, they're purple. So this is why this area is called Bay of Fires, because all of the rocks have that orangey algae on it. Looks really cool. Okay, we went for a really long walk along the beach and the rocks, and I am definitely warmed up now, and I think I'm gonna go for a swim. Because the water looks too good not to go in. Even if it's a bit cold, I don't care. It is so clear and blue, so it has to be done. I have a confession. I didn't end up going for a swim because the wind got up and it was too cold. Even if it's a bit cold, I don't care. So instead we're gonna watch some Netflix now and chill and wait for the sunset.
Matt. Matt. He stuck his head up.
Really?
Matt.
Good morning. It's actually been a couple of days. We thought we would only spend one night in Swimcard Beach or at Swimcard Beach, but we actually ended up staying 3 nights because we loved it so much. We were just surfing, well, Matt was surfing, reading books and exploring the rocks and just, yeah, having a really good time. We also went for a swim. It was very icy, but we had a good time. We checked out the gardens, which technically is the official Bay of Fire spot where I guess the majority of people go to, but we didn't actually like it as much as the area we stayed at, Swimcart Beach. So definitely if you come to Tasmania and you want to do Bay of Fires, don't just do the official Bay of Fires. Definitely do the free camps and check out, even if you don't stay there, like check out the beaches along there because they're really beautiful. And now our next stop is Bishano, I think it's pronounced. And there is, what's there?
We're gonna get some lobster rolls.
We're gonna get some lobster rolls. Yes, there's a place called the Lobster Shack, which has really good reviews and we've heard people talk about it. So we're gonna try the lobster, and there's also blowhole. I just remembered.
Good portion.
Good morning. We are doing our first hike in Tassie today. We're doing the Wineglass Bay lookout hike, and then I think there's another beach that you go to. It's a 12-kilometer hike, I think. So we're gonna have a big day.
But it should be spectacular.
Our favorite word, spectacular.
We used that a lot in our last vlog.
Yeah. This is what we're doing. It's a big loop. Ouch. Let's go. Uh-oh.
Steps have started.
The guy at the visitor center said there's 400 steps up to the lookout.
I don't think it's that bad, to be honest.
You just started. Of course it's not that bad.
Like, compared to like Mount Bluff or whatever.
We just started.
Yeah, 400 doesn't seem that bad.
Okay.
I wonder if Megs is going to count all these steps. That's what she usually does. Meg's first barrel. How many steps so far?
100. 300 to go.
I said before that you would be counting all of the steps.
You know me too well.
Yeah. That is a cool bench.
Wow. Oh wow, this is actually not that comfy. This is it. This is Wineglass Bay. We've almost made it to Wineglass Bay.
This is beautiful.
And we can already hear the waves crashing. Wow, and I think it's clearing up a little bit.
Beautiful. We're going for an hour. We're at Wineglass Bay and going to have a little snack in a beautiful spot. Really regretting not bringing some swimmers or a towel, but it does look very cold. Would you swim? I'd love to be flying our drone right now, but the national park here is a drone-free zone. So this is as good as it's gonna get as far as drone shots. There's literally hundreds and thousands of these shellfish just all over the beach and up on the sand dunes. It's crazy.
Oh my god, I haven't even seen that yet. You're stuck now.
This hike's too easy.
Let's see how long you can do that.
We made it back to the Wineglass Bay lookout crossing.
Okay, it is the next day. We are still in the Freycinet National Park and we are climbing Mount Amos today, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit scared because apparently it's really steep and it's more a climb than a hike. So we'll see how we go. You excited, Matt?
Yeah.
Wish us luck! Wow.
Allow 5 hours of daylight to complete.
Oh,
What?
scrambling.
5 hours? It's only 2
Scared.
Ks. Must be bloody steep. Right at the start, and we're going to that peak.
No wonder I'm puffed. We've already gone up quite a bit. And we're 13 minutes into the hike.
Yeah.
Oh Lord.
Got a good view already though. This must be where the climbing starts. This hike certainly isn't for the faint-hearted. But the views just keep getting better and better. Good job.
Thanks.
You made it to the top.
Wow. That's so rewarding. Okay, I didn't really know what to expect, but this view is probably the best view we've had on this whole trip. Do you agree? Matt agrees.
We've done all of the challenging parts on the way back. I think we're about, what, a kilometre, 800 metres from getting back to Leo?
Yeah, I think going down is actually a bit more challenging than going up because you really have to concentrate. I actually fell down, like fully, not face
Slipped
planted,
over,
but
sort
yeah.
of, yeah.
And it wasn't even a tricky part, I was just not concentrating, so definitely concentrate. And we had to save one poor girl that gave up. She wore sneakers, so yeah, it's just too slippery to wear normal sneakers, so definitely wear hiking boots.
Or shoes with good grip at least.
Yeah.
We made it past the severe hazard area and we're safe. Good job.
Woo!
Oh, now
We
just
survived.
we survived. I like that hike though. I thought
Yeah,
it was really good.
fun.
The view was incredible. Whoa.
Oi!
Or shoes with good grip at least.
Sorry. What are we doing now?
Getting fish and chips.
Woo! Yesterday we got gelato and now we're getting fish and chips.
How good does that look?
Fish and chips with a view. I've been to Tassie before and I got fish and chips from this place before, and I remember the calamari being the best calamari I've ever had, and Matt agrees. So definitely come and get the calamari.
After leaving Freycinet, we did a number of hikes during our time in Tassie. But we didn't want to make this whole vlog about going on hikes because we know it's not everyone's cup of tea. We've decided to do a completely separate vlog where we rate Tassie's top 5 day hikes. This includes Cradle Mountain, which we loved. We even completed the summit hike and saw wild wombats. So if you're interested in that, let us know in the comments and stay tuned for more.